Welcome to the Hot Spring family and congratulations on the purchase of your Freeflow Spa. When your spa is first powered up, the control system begins a 2-minute startup mode. Different codes will display on the screen. Once startup mode completes, 3 things will happen. The actual temperature will be displayed on the screen, the spa will then begin to heat and maintain the water temperature, and the first filter cycle will start. Your spa has been designed so that it will automatically heat the water to the factory set temperature of 38 degrees, unless you set the spa to a different temperature. If power is disconnected from the spa, it will automatically revert back to the last saved set temperature when power is reapplied. Temperature adjustment. Let me show you how to set your preferred temperature on your Freeflow Spa. To start, the temperature can only function between 26.5 degrees and 40 degrees. The last measured temperature will constantly display on the LCD screen. Press the plus or minus buttons to display the set temperature, and by continuing to push, the set temperature will increase or decrease depending on which button is pressed. After 5 seconds, the LCD will automatically display the current spa temperature. The heater indicator lights up when the heater is on. Once set temperature is reached, the heater indicator icon shuts off and the low speed of the jet pump turns off after 30 seconds, if it's not currently completing a filter cycle. Jets operation. Firmly press the Jets button once to activate the low speed of the pump and again for the high speed. Firmly press the Jets button again to turn off the pump. If the jets are left running, the low or high speed pump will automatically turn off after an hour. The Jets indicator light next to the button will blink when the jet pump is on low speed and is solid on high speed. Multicoloured LED light. Press the light button once to turn on the light. The light indicator next to the button is lit when the light is on. Press the button again to turn the light off. Every time the light is quickly turned off and on, a new light mode will appear. The sequence is as follows: white, full colour wheel, amber, blue, red, green, purple, colour wheel 1, colour wheel 2, and fast colour wheel. To change through the colour wheels, the on-off function must be completed within 2 seconds. For more information on how to use your Freeflow control panel, please refer to your owner's manual or contact your local hot spring dealer. Happy spa pooling!